So here's my hand-built wobbler engine, machined mostly out of aluminum with some brass pieces. There was a couple pieces that we didn't make, obviously. The spring up here, this air fitting, the rest of them were machined or cut on either a lathe or a Bridgeport. So let's get into that quick video of this thing running. The standard was 5 PSI for it to run down to, and this one actually had a surprise at the end. So we'll do a quick video on that. You guys can check it out, and it's pretty cool.
Try moving your flywheel in that. That's another thing we tried. More tension or less tension on the spring. That's a pretty big spring. I might go with a smaller spring.
I had a smaller one.
Did you have a smaller brown one or a smaller silver one?
I had the medium rare. Whatever. You gave it to me.
So yeah, I mean, you can just keep trying different things.
Yeah.
That's it. So it's a quick little video, pretty sweet, but as you can see, we got down to about 1.4 PSI, so that gave me an extra 5 points on my actual build. Ended up getting around a, you know, not a perfect score on it, but a 96 for a pretty much hand-built little air engine. It's called a wobbler engine, so it's pretty sweet in my book. You can see how easy it moves. Check them out, they're pretty cool. Alright, have a good day.